Let's get weird with it. It's the new stuff, Bowman Sterling, and guess what? I like it a whole bunch. I think the design looks awesome. Super glad you guys are here. Look at everybody. We got the usual suspect again. There's Gallant Mike. Super awesome. It doesn't get any better than that. When you're sitting there picking out your name and you're like, hey, what should my username be? I don't know, dude. You're pretty super awesome. Oh, that's even better. So good to have super awesome on board. I love it. Here we go. B. Sterling. Can we get a super refract? I mean, I know we pull. Okay, wait. Beggars really can't be choosers. But we pulled 3 101s. Can we just get a super refractor? Just so that we get it? Here's a redemption. Ready? Yeah. Dion Jordan. Gino. Aaron Millette. You got Robert Woods at a 12-14. And then a autographed Blue Wave refractor of Ryan Nassib. Ryan, why can't you just sign it, player? Going to super awesome, though. That is super awesome. Calvin Johnson, Aaron Rodgers. Tyler Bray, 6/50. Look back here. Who we got? It's blue. That's actually a really nice hit. Keenan Allen, 64/125. Really nice going to San Diego. And then Tavon, I'm going to wave it off, act like I'm going to be a fair catch, and then run it back. Austin at a 12:06. So San Diego. Hey, Andy, man. Hey, dude. My gosh, we are just pulling these blue waves like it's butter. Here's Quentin Patton, Justin Hunter, Ace Sanders, then a Chris Agro Crag going to Schmuffalo, 19/99. Then Jordan Reed at 12-14. So we sold out of that other one, huh? I mean, what we could do is we could... trying to think. I don't even know. Marcus Lattimore, Josephine Flacco, and then... that's going to be Jonathan Franklin and Josephine Randall. Going to GB. That's Leck. Dude. Oh, so close. Stevie F, so close, brother. 13/75, dual auto. That's a really sharp looking card, though. Don't forget, you guys can always get those things graded. 35/214. Now Davis. Just missed it. Oof. Ooh. I like this next hit. You know what? Let me just get you a case for this next one. Tyler Wilson, Matt Ryan, and then there he is. EJ, and make it short print. 7/25. Dang gone, man. Mikey, what? Mikey getting wily with it, dude. Oh my goodness. 7/25. Where's he at? I'm waiting for him to chime in. Dude, 7/25. That's a nasty EJ. Get weird with it, dude. Very, very nice hit, man. This case is nasty. Yeah, there you go. There's Mike Wiley. 70 out of 75. Josephine Randall. Hey, hey. There you go, Stevie. Little consolation prize, all right? Still got a pack left and the box topper. Here's Corey Fuller, Brandon Marshall, Matty Ryan, Blue Wave, 30 out of 99. Then another hit. They're going to Buffalo. That'd be Marquise Goodwin. What? Look at this Buffalo hot box. Marquise Goodwin. Super Collector. Mike Wiley. Too many bills, dude. No problem, brother. And then a nasty Eddie Lacy 20 out of 171. That was a pretty dope box. I'm not going to play around. Leck. I mean, the top teams dominated, definitely. GB, Buffalo, and Dallas even snuck a couple in there. So there you go. 20 out of 171. Eddie Lacy. 2-color patches. Oh, Houlihan. End things off, but EJ, get that graded, Mike. Don't play around, dude. Thing is sharp, brother. Well, the back corners, I don't like how it's cut. So, I don't know. That's up to you. I don't know. All right. That's just me quick looking at it. I mean, if the corners get dinged a little bit, you never know.